Have you ever felt tired for no reason, had brittle nails, or just didn't feel like yourself? Your body might be trying to tell you something. In today's video, we're diving into subtle and not so subtle signs that your body is lacking essential nutrients. And most importantly, what you can do about it. Even in developed countries, nutrient deficiencies are more common than you think. Fast food, restrictive diets, poor digestion, and chronic stress. All of these can lead to your body not getting or absorbing what it needs. The result? You start feeling off, sometimes in ways you don't even connect to nutrition. Fatigue and brain fog, iron or B12 deficiency. Constant tiredness, even after sleep, may signal low iron or vitamin B12. You might also feel dizzy, out of breath, or have trouble concentrating. Cracks at the corners of the mouth, vitamin B2, B3, B12, or iron. Painful cracks or sores at the edge of your lips are a classic sign. Hair loss, zinc, iron, biotin deficiency. Losing hair in clumps or noticing thinning. You may lack key hair nutrients like zinc or biotin. Crash diets are a major trigger too. Tingling or numbness, B vitamins. Pins and needles in hands or feet can signal a B vitamin problem, especially B12. Brittle nails, iron or calcium deficiency. Nails that split easily or develop ridges often reflect nutrient problems. Night blindness, vitamin A deficiency. Trouble seeing in low light, that could be a lack of vitamin A. Muscle cramps, magnesium, potassium, or calcium deficiency. Frequent leg cramps may mean your muscles aren't getting enough support minerals. Dry skin and dandruff, essential fatty acids, zinc. Dry, flaky skin or scalp, omega-3s and zinc might be missing. So what can you do if you recognize some of these signs? Get blood work done. Don't guess or test. Eat a whole food, varied diet. Include colorful fruits, veggies, quality protein, and healthy fats. Consider supplements, but carefully. Work with a doctor or dietitian if unsure. Improve gut health. Even good food won't help if your digestion is off. Your body is wise. It whispers before it screams. If you're paying attention to small signs, you can prevent bigger health issues. Have you ever experienced any of these symptoms? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more health insights.